Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. I've got a couple of swipe cards I may or may not use. I've got some Artist Loft mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800. And I hope I didn't use too much. Got some Chantilly lace. I'm a Primary Elements Prizm Pour aficionado. I'm a Color Arte affiliate. So I'll be using Prizm Pours and Primary Elements. But I think most of the things that I do can be done with pretty much most pouring mediums. Okay, so that's a little more white paint than I anticipated. So I'm going to try and smooth it out just a little bit. And then I will wipe off my excess. I'm going to try and do a fairly simple swipe, but I don't know what I'm going to do. I just need to do something. I'm going to do Chantilly lace. I'm going to do a little bit of black. Black is Meaden black. I'm going to throw some gold in there, Mayan gold. I never threw it right over the black. I think I'll do that. I was going to use some a different color. I've got Tempting Tulip, which is a primary element. And I've got some Cupids Crush, which is another primary element, which I need to mix some more of. I've got a little bit of Plum Blossom I've been hoarding. I hopefully can get some more by Christmas. I'm really hoping. It's a primary element. And then I have a color I made with Frosted, which is pale blue, and some magenta, some ultramarine blue, and a little dioxazine violet, which were always all vivid intense colors. I'm not sure why that's not coming out, but that never stopped me before. I had a plug in my tip. So in order to do that, you just pull the top right off, pull the dry paint out, and you're good to go. In general, I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe I didn't pull it all out. In any case, it doesn't matter if I'm willing to go. Alright, so here goes nothing. Am I going to use my swipe card, or am I going to use my spatula? I think I'm going to use a dip dish, at least to pour my colors over. I've got a skinny little card, or a medium weight card, more like. And I've got Amsterdam white, which I'm going to use second. I don't know what's going to happen with that black underneath. It could be disastrous. It's not something I recall ever having done before. But I'm going to do the white, Amsterdam black and Aussie Floetrol white, Amsterdam white. I'm going to let those roll around for a second. Kind of want to tip that. You know what? I can tip that. See where it goes, because I don't think I can hurt anything. I've got cerulean blue, and it's driving me crazy. It's just calling to me endlessly. It's right over there. So I'm going to put a little bit of cerulean blue in there. In no particular order. I had a Klingon. Yeah, something dried on animal hair. Look at those cells. Wow. Cool. I'm going to do that again. Black, white. Very cool. I have been known to drag my swipe cards through my paint. Just to spread a pattern. In this case, I'm going to go for it a little further. Let's wipe that off completely and start again. It does matter how much you put on, so once you discover something good, that would be good to attempt to try and repeat it. I like to spread it all over the card. No, I have no plan. Just making it up as I go along because I need a little art therapy. Kind of like that gold. Where'd the gold go? I'm going to try something. And grab a spatula, yeah, maybe a little Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. There we go. Still not entirely sure I know what I'm doing. I'm kind of being called to some orange, which I might put in after everything else so I don't have as much chance as so I'm not taking as much of a chance. Finally got some of that blue going. Just using whatever's on my card. I'm going to steal a little paint if I can. So far, so good. Got paint going over my edges, which I'm going to steal a little bit of. I'm not entirely sure what to do about that pink. What do I want to do about that pink? Anything? I've got some gold cell activator. It's Atelier. Sometimes I just need to experiment. On the spur of the moment. didn't make any cells. So let me think about this orange issue. I have some orange peel. Yes, there we go. With gold sparkle. And if I like the way it looks, which I'm not sure about right in the moment, okay, so I'm not super duper fond of that, which means I'm going to do something to change it. But I don't hate it. Just going to change it up a little bit with a brighter color orange. Yeah, I like the orange now. So I've got to go back and finish. Off my cardigan. I'm kind of taking my time trying to feel out the process. There's definitely some more orange in my future. But I'm glad I added it after, because trying to swipe it doesn't always work. It becomes brownish. And I think I'm going to think this is really pretty in a minute. And since I'm doing what I'm doing, it's sort of giving me permission, or ideas about giving myself permission to do other things. Like with more of the pink. Right now, Plum Blossom for a start. What else? Maybe some more of the Tempting Tulip. Yeah, I kind of like that. I could probably use a little bit more gold since this is calling me over here. How much time do we have left? Probably not much. I got a couple minutes left. That's cool. I think some in here. Yep, I like that. Blowing on it just to blend it a little bit. I am liking this. I wasn't too sure about putting that black down, but I don't think it hurt anything. I used to surround things with gold all the time a while back. I'm really kind of liking this a lot now. I don't know how much further I need to go. I don't think I need to go very much further. I think that'll make me happy. Do I need any more orange? Maybe a little tiny bit more orange right over here. Right up the edge. It's different, but it's cool. It's got a lot of cool stuff happening in there. And I'm almost out of time, and that means it's time for me to tell you guys I love you, and that I have 28 lists of 100 videos, and that is pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with this at all. I was looking to attempt to do a swipe that didn't look like other swipes, and I think I definitely accomplished that. I will probably touch up my edges or make them black. Oh, it looks really cool from up here. I like that. It's always good to step back from your work. See how you feel, but I really like this. I kind of want one more little orange spot though. I've decided. And I got one more orange spot. And a dot. Which I could put some pink dots in there, and that might kind of be cool. I could even put some blue dots in there, and that might be even cooler. I didn't expect to do that. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know that my link tree is right close to the percentage off coupon code for Colour Arte products. Just a few dots, not too many. Some really nice cells. And combination squeeze bottle swipe. Pretty nice. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I share my paint pouring recipe with you underneath the video. I do sell my artwork. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are all on the link tree along with Society 6 and Legalist. My new website, my old website. My Amazon link has my two books on it because I can and Unlimited Possibilities. And I'm loving how this is turning out. It wasn't really explainable, but I just needed to give myself permission to have some fun, and that was fun. I may salvage some paint around here and go over the edge like so I don't have a white line of demarcation. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Probably told you that already. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. The icon for PayPal is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you would like to become a member, it's $9.99 a month. You get access to a members-only library of at least 80 videos just for members. And you help me maintain my ability to produce video tutorials because nobody else is. Anyway, my community board will show you tomorrow's video at 10 a.m. I post most days, at least for right now. Could have been any time in the past. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I want to thank you for your kind words and your comments to keep my morale boosted. And thank you for being here. I hope you come again. I love you much. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.